I am JV Dr. Anchitu Gnani from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Spending most of the time in teaching and seeing patients in the Arogya hospital, I took out some time and did some researches which I'm going to talk about and achieved a little in the past few months. While working on my PhD thesis, which was about increasing the respiratory function in COPD patients, I was working on various breathing techniques which can be used in increasing the respiratory efficiency of a patient having some obstructive diseases, which was quite similar to the problems faced by patients in lung fibrosis. Uh, Now, what happened, chancely, that Corona came and it started affecting the global population. One of the major impacts of Corona was the lungs was being infected. There was a acute pneumonia being set in, which was decreasing the respiratory function. So this was quite similar to the patients having obstructive diseases. So what I achieved or learned while doing my work in the PhD thesis was that these techniques, when used on a patient, yielded better results of better respiratory sufficiency, increasing the lung capacity. So taking inputs from that, we did a very small pilot project on corona recovered patients and saw that after the recovery of corona, if patients who were recovered and were tested negative, if they performed the respiratory physiotherapy, they had a better respiratory sufficiency after performing the respiratory maneuvers. So we had, since this was our hypothesis was correct and this was yielding good results, we proposed this to the government in a form of project which we have already applied from the university's side and awaiting their response. And I'm really hopeful of getting a go ahead from them because in the current scenario it is very useful. Talking about my little achievements while working on these respiratory functions and patients, I had gathered some data using which I published three papers, in which two were in the Scopus journals and one was in the UGC Care journal. So, which was a big achievement for me because using this relevant data and publishing it, it will be of really help to other people and students who are going to come up with the same techniques and using it on the patient. And always having some evidence will, it always accredits credits to the therapy that we are giving. So that is why it is called a evidence based practice. So collecting evidence and then publishing it is always a good practice. So little about my achievements is in the last couple of months I have achieved a lot in this field, and using that I had published three quality papers and two journal papers, and I continue to do so. And it has only motivated me to go ahead and do a lot more research, collect more data, concile them, and then publish them for the use of other people such as me or any other who is interested in the same field. So that was about my little achievement. I hope I do good and I do better than this the next time. Thank you so much.